Hi friends, go ahead and open up your IMN and turn to problem number 4. It's the one that starts with Casey. Bright, are you reading closely and looking? Let's start by reading the question, circle the question mark, and go back to the beginning of the sentence. Put your finger on how. It says, how many potholders would be in each bag? Circle the word potholders. If you don't know what that is, it's something that looks like this. You may have seen this in your kitchen. This is what you use to put under a really hot pot. Let's cross out the R, let's cross out the U, and let's start reading the details. Put your finger on Casey. It says, Casey made 69 potholders for the nursing home. If you don't know what a nursing home is, then that's just a place where older people go to be taken care of. It says she needed to bring them in 3 bags. So let's cross out the R and let's start circling some clue words. Well, I know this problem is about Casey. I know she made 69 potholders, and I know she needed to bring them in 3 bags. And I need to figure out how many potholders would be in each bag. So let's cross out the C and let's cross out the L. And what time is it? 3-step time. So draw your 3-step process. And what do we need to do first? What should we do first? Our main idea. Let's write how many potholders would be in each bag. Now let's answer our next question. What do I know? Well, I know this problem is about Casey. I know she made 69 potholders, and I know she needs to bring them in 3 bags. So I need to figure out how many potholders are going to be in each bag. So now that we've gone over that, how can I represent that in a strip diagram? Well, let's go through those questions again. I know this is about Casey. I know that she made 69 potholders. So this is about Casey's potholders. And I know that she made 69 in total. I'm going to put my total at the top. And she needs to bring them in 3 bags. So if she has all of these potholders, and she only has 3 bags, then she's going to need to share out those potholders into those 3 bags like this. So what I need to do is make 3 groups in my strip diagram. One bag, 2 bag, 3 bags. What I don't know is how many potholders are going to go in each. I do know that the 69 has to be shared into the bags, but right now I don't know the number in each, so I'm going to put a question mark in there. And now that our strip diagram is done, we can go ahead and try and see if it fits in with one of the strip diagrams that are on our action poster. So go ahead and take a look. Let's see what yellow action word it matches up with. And I noticed that it matches up with share a set equally, because you are starting from a total and you're sharing that down into your groups, but we don't know how many is going to go inside of each group, and that's why there is a question mark and a question mark and a question mark. What I do know is that each of these groups is going to have the same number because we need to give a fair share. And I know that the operation that matches this is division. So let's go ahead and write down our division symbol off to the side, and let's write our division number sentence in our strategy section. So what total are we sharing from? Well, we're sharing from a total of 69, so that's where I need to start from. A total of 69 shared into how many groups? Well, 1, 2, 3 groups, because it's 1, 2, 3 bags. So a total of 69 shared equally into 3 groups gives me my quotient. Now let's figure out what all of these numbers mean. So I'm starting from 69, so that has to be my total. And I'm sharing with 1, 2, 3 groups, so I'm going to write groups. What I don't know is my number in each, so that's going to be my quotient. And now that I have all of that figured out, I'm going to think, well, we can try using a multiplication number sentence, but if you take a look at your at the multiplication chart that's at the front of the classroom on the board, if we look at the 3 song only goes down to 30. It doesn't go all the way to 69. So I can't do that. What I can do is I can solve this problem with the division area model. So let's go ahead and start off by drawing our division area model. Let's go ahead and write down our total. Here at the bottom, we have a total of 69. And how many groups do we have? Well, we have 3 groups, and the number of groups goes on the side. So let's write the 3 on the side, and let's draw our 3 groups. Now that we've drawn our 3 groups, are we going to share 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1? No, we're going to share by bigger numbers. Let's think of those numbers from first grade and kindergarten. There are 10, 5, 2, and 1. So let's see if I can share by 10 first. Go ahead and put your finger in the first group. If I give them 10, then I'll need 10. Another 10 would be 20, and then another 10 would be 30. So let's start over and count again. Put your finger on the first group and count by 10. 10, 20, 30. I need 30 if I'm going to share 10 in each group. Do I have enough? Is my number bigger than 30? Yes, it is. So that means I can share 10 in each group because I have 30 to give. So let's share 10 away for the first group, let's share 10 with the second group, and let's share 10 with the last group. And then let's split our area model. How many did you just share with each group? Well, you just shared 10 in each group. Do I have 69 anymore? No, I don't, because I gave some away. I shared some away to those 3 bags. So I need to figure out how many I gave away. Well, I gave away 10, 20, 30. If I gave away 30, I need to take away 30 using subtraction. So go ahead and subtract 30 to figure out how many we have left to share. I know that 9 take away 0 is 9, and 6 take away 3 is 3. I have 39 left to share. Let's see if I can keep sharing by 10. Put your finger in the first group, and let's count by 10. 10, 20, 30. So if I'm going to keep sharing by 10, I'm going to need 30. Do I have enough? Is my number bigger than 30? Yes, so I do have enough. I can give away 30 of them. So let's share 10 with the first group, 10 with the next group, and 10 with the last group. And let's split our area model. How many did I just share with each group? I just shared 10 with each group. How many did I just give away right now? I gave away 10, 20, 30. So I need to take away 30 because I don't have this anymore. I took away 30. 9 take away 0 is 9, and 3 take away 3 is nothing. So how many do I have left to share? 9. Do you guys think that I can keep sharing by 10? Well, let's try and see. 10, 20, 30. I'm going to need 30 if I can share by 10 again. Do I have 30? Is my number bigger than 30? No, so I can't share 30 away. Let's cross off the 10. Now let's see if we can share by 5. Put your finger at the top, and let's share 5. 5, 10, 15. Do I have 15? Is my number bigger? No, so I can't share by 5. Cross it off. Now let's see if I can share by 2. 2, 4, 6. Do I have enough to give and share 6 away to the groups? Is my number bigger than 6? Yes, it is. So I can share by 6. So let's go ahead and share 2 in each group. I just shared 2 in each. Go ahead and split your area model. Let's figure out how many we just gave away and shared away. 2, 4, 6. So I need to take it away. Let's take away 6. You can do this on your fingers. 9, take away 6. Take away 4, 5, 6. That means I have 3 left to share. So I'm going to write 3 down here. If I have 3 left to share, can I keep sharing by 2? 2, 4, 6. Do I have 6? No. So I cannot keep sharing by 2. But maybe I can share by 1. 1, 2, 3. Do I have 3? Yes, I do. I just shared 1 in each group. So let's go ahead and figure out how many I just shared away. I shared away 1, 2, 3. So let's take it away. I know that 3, take away 3, is 0. 0 is not your answer. That 0 just means that we ran out of things to share. We're done sharing. So let's write the word done down here. And now let's figure out our answer, which is our number in each group. So let's circle that first group. How many did I give them first? 10. All of these numbers at the top are the parts of my quotient. They're the parts of my answer, they're my partial quotients. And what do I need to do with them? You're right, I need to put them together. So let's put in our plus signs in between them. I know that 10 put together with 10 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 1 is 23. So that means that my final quotient is going to be 23 in each. And I can write that in my strip diagram by putting in 23 in each group.